Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is Event Slipping Panda, aka Edward. That's my name. I got a new Matrix box, a Matrix box from 4K, from the Matrix Trilogy. It's a 4K Ultra HD, so it has a 4K Ultra HD and also Blu-ray. Now, this review is about all the Matrix trilogies. So I got the Matrix trilogy in DVD. So this is the Matrix 1. It's the very first edition. It has a nice cover. It's in Dutch, all things, all titles. We got a lovely DVD, so that is cool. Then we have the Matrix Reloaded, also DVD. It's in Dutch. Really nice packaging. We got 2 discs over here. We got disc 1, Matrix Reloaded, the actual movie, and this is the bonus. We also got some nice covers. Remember, guys, this is from the DVD only, so got some nice coverage, nice covers. Also, what's included in the things. So this is in Dutch, and this is in yeah, it's all in Dutch. Okay, cool. Then why am I making an English review? Oh well. And we have, of course, Matrix Revolutions, which is also a really nice cover, like this. Let's go. All in Dutch. We got Neo. The Neo. Neo looks awesome. Look at that. Oh, that's the other way around. Those are the Agent Smiths. Plug yourself in. Nice. Matrix Revolutions, guys. And we got also a 2 DVD set. Matrix Revolution bonus and Matrix Revolutions normal. So that's the, excuse me. That's the DVD side. See, it's all in Dutch, so you guys can't read it, unless you are Dutch, of course. Here we have the Blu-ray collection from the Matrix trilogy, the complete Matrix trilogy. That's in Blu-ray, of course. There we go. And we have it in focus. Thank you. 1080p high definition. Dolby True HD, so that's also really awesome. 3 monumental films. Stay. It's kind of slippery. So we got 3 monumental films in 1080p, 3 in-movie experiences. Yep, 3 Blu-ray discs. These are all in Dutch, so looks cool. Okay, let's get them out. So this is a box that I bought, I think 10 years ago. Or maybe, God damn it, move. Yep, there we go. We got them out. Excuse me. So that is the Blu-ray box. We have the Matrix Reloaded, we got the Matrix Revolutions, and the Matrix, the normal Matrix. So that's the normal Matrix. Let's open it up. It has only 1 disc. That's the actual Blu-ray. That's also cool. And here we have some English. No, it's still Dutch. But as you can see, guys, a lot of extras. 1080p. So Matrix Reloaded is the same. So just the movie. And the bonuses are also inside. Because it's a Blu-ray, it has more storage. So yeah. And Matrix Revolutions. Revolutions. I thought it was Reloaded. This is Reloaded. Revolutions. Very awesome movie. Also 1 disc. Blu-ray. 1080p. High definition. 2.41. Yep. So in-movie experiences, extras, and commentary. 4 short films. I also got the Matrix and the Matrix anime. It's called Matriculated or something like that. I do know what's it called. So let's put them back in the box. All 3. Like this. There we go. Get back in the box. Thank you. It works. Yay. So that's 2. Here we have some Blu-rays. Got the DVD. We also got a lot of 4K Blu-rays in there. Now here we have the 4K Blu-ray one. This is the one that I bought brand new for now. It's the 4K Ultra HD plus another Blu-ray Trilogy. So it's the same as that one. I bought this one for 35 bucks. 35 euros in our country, because I live in Europe, and it was from the Black Friday deals. So yeah, it's a very good price. It has 9 discs in total, 3 discs per movie. 1 for the movie, 1 for the Blu-ray and the 4K, of course, and then we have an extra one for the 3 hours of bonus content. So that's 1 hour of bonus content per movie. It's a really nice box. Now you open this thing by this edge. So you can see it's in a nice box like that. Let's put it over here. And let's turn it upside down. And there we go. Oh, they're out already. Okay, so here we have the first Matrix movie in 4K Ultra HD. This thing costs normally, I think, 30 bucks already. Also 30 euros. So I got them for 35 euros. But let's start with the first movie. Well, the first movie. There's no ultraviolet, so that's a shame. So I can't give it to you guys. But here we have the 4K Ultra HD Matrix movie. And here we have the Blu-ray movie. And here we have the bonus Blu-ray movie. And no Violet Ultra HD. Ultraviolet. Matrix Reloaded. Yeah, boy. Also in HDR. This one is also in HDR. Which I don't have on my TV. Shamefully. Need to buy another need to buy another 4K TV maybe. Okay, Matrix Reloaded, 4K Ultra HD. And we got a 4K. We got the Matrix Reloaded Blu-ray, the same as that one. And we got the Matrix Reloaded bonus. So it's the bonus disc. And then we got Matrix Revolutions HDR. See the back. 4K Ultra HD. And of course it's still in Dutch, because they don't do English where I live. The movie is in English, but the subtitles are in Dutch or in French. So sorry for that. Got some bonuses, 4K HD, Ultra HD, yeah boy, really awesome. We have the discs, okay, we got all the discs in there. Matrix Revolutions. Yeah, and then Reloaded and the Matrix. So that's the Matrix 1, 2 and 3 in 4K Ultra HD. And here we have oops, excuse me. And here we have the Matrix Revolutions, Matrix Reloaded and Matrix Normal in Blu-ray. And here we have the Matrix Reloaded and the Matrix Revolutions DVD. So that's my review, well, not my review, my unboxing of my 4K Blu-rays. Yeah, for now I'm signing off, guys. I hope you liked this unboxing slash review? I don't know. Give it a big like, guys. thumbs up. I mean, subscribe if you're new. I'm doing a lot of videos of unboxing, games, reviews, doesn't matter. But thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.